In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in ClickUp. If you've ever missed a deadline or just want that extra nudge to stay on track, this walkthrough will show you the simplest way to set a reminder tied to a task, so you never forget what needs to get done. First, open the task you want a reminder for. You can do this from any view: list, board, or calendar. Just click on the task name to bring up the task window. If you prefer more space, expand it to full screen so everything is easy to see. Make sure you're in the correct task, especially if you have similar names, so your reminder lands on the right work item. Next, set the due date and the reminder. Look for the calendar icon labeled Due Date inside the task. Click it to open the date and time picker. Choose the exact date and time when the task should be due. Setting a due time is important because reminders can use that time as a reference. Once you've picked the due date and time, turn on the Remind Me toggle. This enables the reminder options for the task. You'll see choices like at the due time, a few minutes before, hours before, or even days in advance. Pick the lead time that matches how you like to work. Maybe a quick heads up 15 minutes before for short tasks, or a day before for bigger deliverables. If your work spans multiple locations, double check your time zone so the reminder fires when you expect. You can always change these settings later if your schedule shifts. When everything looks good, save your changes. Click Save if you see the button, or simply click outside the task window to apply the update. Your reminder is now set and linked to the task's due date. If you ever need to adjust it, just reopen the task, click the due date calendar again, and update the time or the reminder lead time. You'll typically receive the reminder in your ClickUp notifications, and depending on your notification settings, you might also get it on desktop or mobile. A quick way to confirm it's set is to revisit the due date panel and verify the Remind Me toggle is still on with your chosen timing. And that's how you create a reminder in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful productivity tips.